Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. Through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this, this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades. We do take into account losses. So for further details about how to join us for less than $9 a month, information is available in the description below. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an update from FINRA, who have stepped in to protect Gold Star families from being defrauded. We're also going to be looking at confirmation, looking at ticker symbol WOLF and also WULF. So before we get started, let's have a look at what's happening in the markets. So first headline here from Bloomberg, we can see that stock market short sellers that helped fuel this year's rally are finally giving up. So the bulls so far in 2023 have outnumbered the bears, and this is showing that we have had a reversal from 2022, which was a significant negative year. The other headline here from Barron's, we can see the second quarter earnings are coming, and what this means. So hopefully this is also positive. And close of play heat map on Friday, it wasn't a great week, and we can see tech stocks, communication stocks, consumer defensive and healthcare were down quite significantly. Energy did do a little bit better, and hopefully this will be a better week coming. Let's now have a look at details of the meeting shared earlier today. So first shout out here is to Brandon, who's posted MMTLP needs resolutions. Our politicians should be helping us and letting our voices be heard. What Pete Sessions has posted here is with regard to the meeting. I will share updates on recent legislation and discuss current events. Looking forward to hearing your thoughts. So this meeting took place earlier today at Hewitt VFW Hall Post. And what I'd now like to share with you is a post from Heidi and John Berder. What Heidi stated is, hey John Berder, George, Pete Sessions' friend said hello to you. A group of us met him at a town hall meeting this morning, and what John Berder has stated is, I heard John was there. He is my introduction to Pete. So as far as I'm concerned, what I read into this, that behind the scenes it potentially looks like Pete Sessions is certainly hearing our concerns, our grievances. And I do expect him not to say anything publicly about this, and I do understand that this may be frustrating for many people. And the way Congress works, I think the Congress people are under pressure from many angles, and I think this kind of concern that we have with regard to MMTLP, the movements and the concerns raised with regard to questions and everything else, I think is going to be taking place more in the background, but certainly I am hoping for more updates from that meeting today, and hopefully they are positive. So let's have a look at the update from FINRA. What they posted earlier today is we have expelled Monmouth Capital Management for violating Regulation BI and churning and excessively trading customer accounts, including those of Gold Star families. So what I posted in response to this is a quotation from the Attorney General, Merrick Garland, who stated, stealing from Gold Star families whose loved ones made the ultimate sacrifice in service to our nation is a shameful crime. So I do agree with the Attorney General there. So if the Attorney General can also apply this statement to all families in all financial crimes, then I would see that as obviously more appropriate. The SEC and FINRA have acted to ensure there was justice in this particular case, which only involved a crime in millions of dollars, but when the crime is in the billions of dollars, why is there a reluctance to act? So I think that's an open-ended question, and what Barron's have also done is shared this news and stated FINRA expels brokerage firm over excessive trading its clients, included Gold Star families. So again, just for a message for Barron's and also a message for the Attorney General, there are many other Gold Star families still waiting for justice. So what I'd now like to do is have a look at ticker symbol WOLF, also known as Wolfspeed. So there was some breaking news, and this was shared live in our Discord, and the breaking news was with regard to Wolfspeed, the share price going up 13% on a 10-year supply deal with Japanese chip companies. So this is tremendous news. So let's have a look at the chart for WOLF. In terms of the 5-day chart, we can see here it's up in excess of 15%, and at one point it was trading in excess of $67. Close of play on the Friday, it was also up in excess of 8%. closing at $63.64. So a tremendous week there for Wolfspeed. In terms of the company website, let's have a look at a corporate overview, and we can see here this is a global leader in silicon carbide technology, providing power and radio frequency semiconductors. Wolfspeed family product families include silicon carbon materials, power switching devices, RF devices targeted for applications such as EV, fast charging inverters, power supplies, telecom, military, and also aerospace. So definitely huge potential there. So let's have a look at the news that was shared live in the Discord. So from the company website, we can see here Renesas and Wolfspeed signed a 10-year silicon carbide wafer supply agreement. So this is tremendous news, and long term for the company should be excellent. Let's now have a look at the other stock, ticker symbol WULF, also known as TeraWolf. So we're going to start by having a look at a quick overview of the company profile. And this is a company that owns and operates vertically integrated, environmentally clean Bitcoin mining facilities in the United States. So crypto is going through a little bit of a resurgence, and I think there is certainly much more room for upside. But in terms of the company, this is led by an experienced group of energy entrepreneurs. The company has two Bitcoin mining facilities, wholly owned by Lake Mariner facility in New York. So TeraWolf expects to offer attractive mining economies at an industrial scale. So a post here from Ham the Short Killer has also stated, Wolf is a great trading stock finally. Yorkville is a naked short there, and we thank them. So there also has been some news. So the headline here from Yahoo Finance, TeraWolf announces June 2023 production and operations update. So there is an increase in hash rate capacity by 25% month over month as of June 30, 2023. So positive news there. And in other June highlights for 2023, we can also see the owner and operator of the vertically integrated domestic Bitcoin mining facilities powered more than 91% zero carbon energy, and today provided an unaudited monthly production and operations update. So this includes self-mined 347 Bitcoin in June, with an average production rate of 11.6 Bitcoin per day. So in terms of the proceeds, we're looking at approximately $9.6 million. Power cost average $9.3 thousand per Bitcoin produced, or approximately 0.035. So certainly profitable there. Full commission building, achieving 110 MW of self-mining capacity site-wide, and it's also deployed a fleet of over 50,000 miners, comprising 34,000 miners at its wholly owned Lake Mariner facility in New York. So what we can also see now in terms of the 5-day chart, we can see over the previous 5 days, WULF is up in excess of 45%. A few days ago, it was trading around about the $1.60. Close of play on the Friday, it was up in excess of 10.46%. Over the previous 5 days, up in excess of 45%, and closing at $2.64. So congratulations to everybody who got in WULF. Finally, what I'd now like to do is share with you a copy of our weekly watch list review from the previous week's stocks that we called out. So these included stocks such as RNLX, that was up 10.4% on the week. So congratulations to everybody who got in on that. We also called out Tesla, that was up just in excess of 5% on the week. CCL, great recovery stock here, and that was up 7% on the week. It also did exceptionally well in the previous week, where we also called it out. FRD, we called out, that was up to in excess of 10.4% on the week. CBAY, that was up 10.4% on the week. CTMX, 9.2% on the week up. NCLH, that was up 2.3% on the week. We also looked at TOP, that was up 7.8% on Friday, but did close down 16.9% on the week. So not all calls are successful. Oxy, we called out, that closed level on the week, but I still expect some upside in Oxy, and we will be watching that. NKLA, that was up 8.4% on the Friday, and also up in excess of 3.7% on the week. So NKLA making some positive moves there. XPEV is another stock that has been featured on a number of occasions in previous videos. We have been watching it. We've been covering it since it was trading below $10. We know it's now trading in excess of $14. and up 11.4% on the week. So congratulations to everybody on XPEV. Sophie is another stock that is doing exceptionally well. There was a pullback, down 3.8% on the week. MAX was also down 5.4% on the week. And the other thing I'd like to share with you is a copy of the largest insider buying over the last 7 days. This is normally shared exclusively with the Discord members every week prior to trading. So if we have a look at here, just some of the largest value changes in terms of insider buyings I'll share with you exclusively today. AKRO, there was a insider trade there in excess of $10 million. So BDTX in excess of $9 million, and the one that's had the most trades is KGS. So we also share much more information, including the top list of the short squeeze score from Fintel. So to get a copy of this, as well as our weekly watch list and daily stock alerts, details are in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.